Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Developing Apex Brands, here with your friendly owner and media arts professional, Dwayne Chandler of Dad Media Design. On today's topic, we're going to talk about the use of drones for commercial media and the importance of having a Part 107 drone pilot's license. As the use of drones in various industries becomes increasingly popular, so does the need for licensed and skilled drone pilots. The Federal Aviation Administration, or the FAA, requires commercial drone pilots to hold a Part 107 license, and it's essential for anyone who wants to fly drones for work or business purposes. A Part 107 license allows drone pilots to fly commercially in the United States, but what does that mean for businesses and industries that use drones? First and foremost, having a Part 107 license demonstrates that a drone pilot has the necessary knowledge and skills to operate a drone safely and effectively. The FAA requires drone pilots to pass a knowledge test covering airspace regulations, weather, and flight operations. This knowledge ensures that drone pilots understand potential risks and hazards of operating a drone and can mitigate those risks to keep people and property safe. In addition to safety, having a Part 107 license also opens up more opportunities for drone pilots. Many industries require licensed drone pilots to conduct aerial surveys, inspections, and mapping, among other tasks. Having a Part 107 license allows drone pilots to work in these industries, which can provide additional income and career growth opportunities. Furthermore, having a Part 107 license can also help businesses and industries avoid legal issues. The FAA has strict regulations governing the commercial use of drones, and anyone caught operating a drone without a Part 107 license can face hefty fines and other penalties. By ensuring that their drone pilots have a Part 107 license, businesses can avoid these legal issues and focus on their operations. Lastly, having a Part 107 license helps build trust with clients and customers. When businesses use licensed drone pilots, they demonstrate that they take safety and professionalism seriously. This can help to build a positive reputation and trust with clients, leading to more opportunities and increased success. Having a Part 107 drone pilot's license is essential for anyone who wants to fly drones commercially in the United States. It demonstrates a pilot's knowledge and skills, opens up opportunities for work, helps to avoid legal issues, and builds trust with clients and customers. As the use of drones continue to grow in various industries, having a Part 107 license is becoming increasingly important for businesses and drone pilots alike. Thank you for tuning in to today's topic by Dad Media Design, where we cover industry-leading topics and discussions to help grow your business through media. I am Dwayne Chandler, and good evening from Developing Apex Brands.